Arya.
I didn't see him.
Okay, you will love. So the agenda of the meeting is SAPMA report 2009, then proposed changes in the memorandum of association of SAPMA, then work plan and the budget 2010 and 12, then funding, accounting and reporting procedures, then 8th South Asian Free Media Conference. Any other thing you are keen to bring on agenda?
Well, we have to, I think, consider some position which need to be changed, no?
About what? Various numbers, RMP numbers.
Yes.
Yes, of course, you can consult among yourselves and propose this to be from chapters. Then you are here. Who is there? There should be 4 members in the regional executive body, 3 men at least, or maybe more, 1 woman. With the induction of, with the creation of SOM, it doesn't mean that in SAPMA's body there is no woman. And there should be 1 woman from SAPMA national chapter in the regional executive body. We have, so we should be clearly told by the chapters who are the official members or representative on the regional body from each chapter. In that, the regional committee doesn't have any prerogative. This is the prerogative of the chapters that they propose if there is some seat vacant. So now, if you have anything to say on this?
Mr. Anyasi, who are the members? In the executive board we have national chapter. We have Rohit Sharma, you, myself, and Renu Mittal. But for executive board, who are the people who are the members representing on the
committee back home? Whenever you are able to hold that. Till that time, they will propose. So the first topic is SAPMA report 2009. I will take it up after the copies are done. Afterward, but first, I think there are 2 very important items. One is proposed changes in the memorandum of SAPMA, and the second is work plan and the budget 2010 and 12. Then there will be this funding and accounting and reporting procedures. That we will not go in detail. There will be separate meeting for that. And then 8th South City Media Conference. So first, I'll pick up some changes which we have brought into. Anil sir, can you help me? The proposed changes which we sent to you by mail, and only those changes are additions which are in bold, and those changes or deletions are in italics. So, in the 4th paragraph, you will see that we have added.
We don't have a copy.
Yeah, we have sent it to you by email, and you will be getting photocopies soon. So you can. This is in the introduction. Previously, we used to say the thanks to the initiative taken by the new publication of that group of newspapers. This should be deleted, and in this place we should add thanks to the initiative taken by founding Secretary General and the founding delegates from the whole region. Sorry, this is the first conference with the participants. This was their initiative. It should be taken as such. This is the addition. Then we have added the date in the introduction, that is 2nd July distributed. That is the 2nd July 2000 added. This is the date when we formed SAPMA in Islamabad. You take the notes where you find your disagreement or you want to add something, you can. The goal, in the last conference, they were in Bangladesh and as well in Sri Lanka. People had raised issues about the goals and mission and objectives. So we have redefined them, but without changing the real purpose of SAPMA. Now the goals are added. The SAPMA is set to develop a sensitized and responsible media community and inform public as a mainstay of tolerance, peace, harmony, and cooperation. Full stop. Addition, all other goals consigned to the number 5. Key strategies, since they are not goals, they are in brackets. Mission, the goal is just this. Mission, SAPMA aims to develop mainstream media platforms, joint media mechanisms, and unbiased sources of information across South Asia for both media and public that promote free flow of information, peace, understanding, and cooperation. This is an issue. Objectives, we have added 3 objectives, and we have brought it from somewhere else, just for a new arrangement. 4.1, enhance capacity of media institutions and personnel to promote regional peace and cooperation. 2, share knowledge base on South Asian policy, issues for policymakers and opinion makers. 3, enhance capacity of media to promote and safeguard the rights and responsibilities of journalists through media monitoring and reorientation, education and training of young journalists through South Asian Media School. This is added. And then in the point 8, there is addition. Benefiting the people and the region with the fruits of information revolution by promoting interactive and collaborative media products, including website. Here the addition is, this is not the addition which I read. This is already there. The addition is, you are making my program. Thank you very much, sir. Such as, the addition is, such as South Asian Media.net. We have put the name of South Asian Media.net, that is addition.
Excuse me, which is distributing Islamabad paper? We are supposed to...
These are minor additions. Then we had brought here from 3 goals to strategies. They were not in fact goals, they were strategies. So we have put it under the key strategies. That is a technical or formal change, but not the wordings. That remains the same. Organizational principles. We had written all matters have been decided in a democratic spirit of accommodation and with broad-based consensus. Addition is or in exceptional cases with the majority vote. So, primary emphasis should be on the consensus. If there are such exceptional circumstances, then majority can take this. 6.2, there is an addition. All financial matters will be transparent and due accounts will be prepared by Free Media Foundation. This is added, which is our registered entity or implementing agency. This is done on the advice of the corporate lawyers to strengthen the relationship of SAPMA and the foundation, institutional relationship. Then there is a full 2 points edition. Free Media Foundation registered in Lahore as an implementing agency. By the way, this is also in our founding document that we, the Secretary General, will get registered with the name of Free Media Foundation and implementing agency. This is elaborating that. This is not something new as well. Free Media Foundation as an implementing agency for SAPMA and other initiatives. shall be responsible for logistics, secretarial backing, financial and personnel management of SAPMA Secretariat and coordinate with SAPMA chapters as an implementing agency for the implementation of the work plans of SAPMA. There will be secretarial backing. Free Media Foundation will also raise funds, enter into contracts with the various donors and agencies on behalf of SAPMA to implement SAPMA program and projects in close coordination with the Secretary General of SAPMA, who or her nominee will represent SAPMA as ex officio member on the Board of Governors of Free Media Foundation. Now we have broadly stated that on Free Media Foundation Board of Governors, the Secretary General of SAPMA and SOM and SAMC will also be the ex officio members of the Board of Governors. All SAPMA national chapters and its central secretariat are bound to follow the rules and regulations of the foundation, which are two manuals, one for financial procedures, another for HR. So thank you very much. Is it a compliment? And is it a punch?
This is the cartoon of Imtiaz
All SAPMA national chapters and its central secretariat are bound to follow the rules and regulations of the foundation, which will also own equipment, SAPMA and other media initiatives supported by the foundation. For all work plans and budgets of regional SAPMA and central secretariat shall be proposed by the Secretary General and the President of SAPMA to the Board of Governors of Foundation for approval from the plenary meeting of the BOG, Board of Governors of Free Media Foundation. That is, that the SAPMA program, work plan and budget will be prepared by the regional executive body, or if regional executive body is not in session, by the Secretary General with the consent of the President. They will be presented before the board. The board will not have a right to change the positions of the work plan is being proposed by this REP or Secretary General. But there will be again a consolidation at the level of Central Secretariat. That if say we get, instead of, we propose a budget of $2 million and we get say $1 million, so we will have to cut down that. So there will be consolidation, and in the consolidation process, there will also be again Secretary General there for consolidation and revision.
But will revision be done in consultation with relevant chapters?
Sorry?
Will revision be done in consultation with relevant chapters?
No, this is the regional budget.
Okay.
This is, for example, SAPMA regional conference, that is regional budget. Indo-Pak Peace Initiative or Bangladesh, India, that is regional initiative. So that budget is to be approved by the regional executive body. This regional executive body doesn't have any role on the national chapter budget. There will be, however, a consolidation committee of budgets of SOM and SAMC and SAPMA in the national chapters, with 3 secretaries on the Joint Finance and HR Committee. And we have kept the option for President/Secretary. So if the chapter thinks the President should be on there, the President can be, the Secretary should be on there, the Secretary will be. This is a flexibility. A meeting of the Board of Governors of Free Media Foundation, if the approval from the regional executive body is not possible in time, yes, that Secretary General and President of SAPMA will propose a budget if there is no meeting of the regional executive body meeting. But they will get the approval in the next regional executive body meeting of the budget or work plan they propose to the Board of Governors. In such cases, the Secretary General shall get the approval of REP, this committee, where it meets or through internet. It is also possible that if meeting is not being held, the Secretary General will communicate on the net that this is the work plan budget, please give me your feedback and approval. Now the meeting, there is now e-meeting now, we can adopt that process as well. 6th point is, this is also, but we have use the word shall. All national units shall follow as far as possible the direction set by South Asian Free Media Conference. That is the regional conference we hold, the regional executive body meeting, this is the regional executive body meeting, and the Secretary General who will be responsible before the South Asian Free Media Conference and regional executive. This is the same as well. There are additions in 7.9. General set a criteria for a conference. Okay, for example, we are holding a conference on environment, so there should be journalists from who are holding environment. So, but this was a different kind of conference where we brought all the REBs. So they will be selecting delegates according to the criteria. But say if you do it that you do not invite the environment journalists, you invite the journalists who report crime, so we will have an objection, sir, you are not selected right people. But we cannot, the regional executive body or Secretary General or Secretary cannot propose you that you bring A or B or C. We can suggest you that is your prerogative to bring someone or not.
You can reject the wrong nomination.
Yes, we can say that this is not, but this is the right of the chapter to revise.
Yes, but can you withhold can't look for that wrong nomination?
Look, that we can't do. We will again leave to the chapter discretion. That, sir, you A, B, C, D is not according to the criteria, kindly replace it. And the chapter must replace that or provide justification for that.
So you only advise?
Sorry?
You only advise?
Yes, but this can't happen that, for example, there is a tendency to bring the same kind of people to all the same conferences. So that is not the right practice. That we are close friends, so we are nominating going to everywhere all the time. And I know that there is a lot of criticism in the chapter of this kind of practice.
So Vijayana, you and I can't go in every meeting, so.
So we'll send some of the people you see.
So the next point, a regional executive body, it will consist of 4 members from each country, including President, General Secretary and 2 members from each national unit. This is already there in the previous original program, articles of association. At least 1 women member, plus a vice president by rotation, 3 vice presidents, the executive secretary general, 2 joint secretaries, and 1 information secretary. Now, previously we had this structure, there was a president by rotation and a secretary general. The experience has showed us that perhaps at the initial stage it was useful and necessary, but it is as we have developed into a broader network and institution, so we should de-emphasize the role of secretary general. But he will still remain the executive officer, but there will be a cabinet proposing these officials. For example, 1 president by rotation, it will be the same old procedure.
What is the role of a joint secretary? Why we should have?
No, what we are doing, that we will not be adding, there will be essentially from 1 country, either a vice president from 1 country or a joint secretary from 1 country or a secretary general from 1 country.
This is the secretary.
I am still not clear, what is the need of having a joint secretary? What is the job of a joint secretary?
Commission, in which problems where there is like each country has a different kind of habit. And Nepal was struggling. Nepal, there was a big movement going. Except for determining that problem. And secondly, most of the issues discussed here were raised here. In fact, this is based on that day's discussion in the second meeting.
Second meeting was only for India when we met for breakfast.
No, when all people were there.
But I remember
With the
bringing up
Bangladesh
this
United
meeting
Nations
at
representative was there.
Yes, yes, that one.
That was the second meeting.
This was actually finalized in Delhi.
There was a meeting held in Delhi.
The issue of a legal helpline
Yeah.
for journalists, at least in our country.
Correct,
Nothing
correct.
happened thereafter.
That point is-
Yeah, before he leaves,
Just one thing I wanted to say is that
Please also-
either from the chairperson or from the junction between the members of different countries, media commission people, I mean, we are totally in darkness. We don't know what is going on, in other countries. And inside Afghanistan also we are very inactive. So,
But that should be the job of the media, regional secretary.
That was sort of third meeting. First meeting was to determine parameters, second meeting with the Bangladesh chapter, and third meeting was for India chapter, which actually accept the legal help which can be provided.
Bobby
Bobby
Kuchwani,
Kuchwani,
because Vinod
yeah.
said I do
But
this.
that was because N. Ram said he will pursue that, and that we never pursued.
since he has to leave early, there's a proposal of Mr. N. Ram being replaced by Mr. Kumar Ketkar. as SMC region, yeah, SMC.
Congratulations. Congratulating, but I will not respond to the applause immediately because I don't know what is that.
And in India, the Media Commission chapter will be headed by Mr. K.K. Katyal.
Earlier it was headed by Mr. Ram.
Yeah.
He was
But
doing
would
more-
it be possible, since you have anointed me, I will ask Gaur Shevanti, who is my old colleague, because I will not be here, to take minutes and not only minutes, but I think all of you, if you tell me what you expect
Yeah.
from this new anointed president to do, because I don't want to, miss the bus or be a failure, at least in coordination. I know no great things are going to be achieved in just 2 years because the term is for 2 years, but even then at least a complete networking, at least minimum level of networking, a foundational networking if it is done, whoever takes over from me will be able to pursue on the basis of that network. So if all of you give me your name, address, email ID, and I already told him for a little bit of already said.
And by the way, Nepal chapter has made a repository report on self-censorship. Since he's leaving now, I want to hand it over to him, one copy of it. And it's about the self-censorship.
Self-censorship.
Self-censorship report
Yeah.
in Nepal.
Please give me your name.
Sure, I'll distribute it later on.
I want to Sir, the chairman, I want to, Mr. Chairman, I have to let you know something about Bangladesh, Mr. Walker.
Who is in charge of Media Commission in Bangladesh?
Dr. Nizar Rahman Shah is the chairman.
You were the
He is the Secretary
Secretary
General.
General.
Okay.
And, we had a positive contribution to enacting RTI in Bangladesh. We proposed the alternate law in Bangladesh. And the last year, 2009, we have been experiencing very severe things regarding freedom of press, freedom of journalists. Yesterday, a private television channel was shut down by the government. Yesterday, just yesterday. And 3 journalists were killed and more than 1,000 journalists were intimidated, harassed in Bangladesh in 2009. We had a long discussion meeting about journalists and with civil society organization a few months back. So we are very active and we want support from the Media Commission and from every chapter of the South Asian countries for our freedom of press and freedom of journalists.
Actually, last year you came to
For the next fresh start.
okay. Since 2 years are over.
The chosen or elected? Can we say elected?
But this is correct. What Ms. Katyal says is correct. We have to be dignified in our choice of words.
I mean, in any case, it's not, he's completed his tenure. It's not replacement.
It's not a replacement. Yeah.
It's now newly elected.
For
We
the
should
fresh
elect
start.
him.
Yeah.
Okay,
I propose,
Yes.
I propose his
Whether we elect
name
or not.
for the president. Please.
Okay then.
Okay,
Thank you.
But
You
regarding Sri Lanka's appointment of a new minister, deputy minister of media, who was a controversial figure, so I don't know how this media person will be handled by them.
Yeah.
So, anyhow, we will give our fullest support to you, and we will also actually. But my only request is this: we have to have this network, and there should be some mechanism to meet very often at this person. This is what we pointed out in Colombo also.
We can spare him for
Yes.
the moment.
Yes.
Just quickly, if I could say 1 or 2 things about Afghanistan.
Then you will also
tell
discuss.
There is no worry to all of you.
Yes.
There is no lack of laws on media freedom.
They won't leave without you.
Can't hear you, please.
There is no lack of law on media freedom in Afghanistan. There is freedom of expression, but unfortunately there is no freedom. Centralized regional agenda for the Commission. Besides that, a local agenda. So there are 2 types of program, a program and a subtype of program. Program at regional level and a subtype at local level.
We will have to work out our working.
You can write down my email ID simple to,
Yeah.
it is not Kumar Ketkar, it is Ketkar Kumar @gmail.com. Ketkar Kumar @gmail.com. KETKAR KUMAR KETKAR
And gmail.com. I'll give it to you.
Ketkar Kumar @gmail.com. The other on my card is the office email ID, which is Ketkar. or this will use Gmail? That is Gmail.com. Huh? Sorry, I have to.
Yes, you are explaining. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
One was the announcement and approval by the House in Sri Lanka in our sixth conference or seventh conference that I will be stepping down. I had proposed that I should step down then because I had completed my 2 terms. But the House did not take this and they were not prepared for this. So they allowed me the concession to continue for another term. So that term will be coming to end in the next conference. So that was the first stage, that approval of the South Asian Free Media Conference for the stepping down of the or replacement of the existing or founding secretary general. That was the first stage. The second stage is that we propose a more viable and representative structure in terms of office bearers and a cabinet. Because there was a lot of dependence on me as Secretary General, so that should replace the team, so that the new Secretary General doesn't come under huge pressure, and this team should share responsibilities with him. So that is being proposed, that is the second stage in this. The third is that who will be the Secretary General? So we will, if you could allow me, that I could propose you 2-3 names in the next meeting, that who could be Secretary General. Or this committee can propose somebody else. It has full authority. But again, the South Asian Free Media Conference will be entitled to come up with anybody else and elect somebody else as Secretary General.
No, it's already limited to Pakistan. So the conference will have very little freedom.
But not only that, I'm saying...
No, there will be 8 office bearers.
8 office bearers, but regarding Secretary General.
From Pakistan, there are 2 limitations.
I'm just saying that there's too much freedom, that's what I'm saying. There should be a tighter process in there. It's not enough to names to so clear by the general body. That's too much.
Delegate, he says no. Committee has proposed my name and the House proposes the name of Satish.
But then there
will be election on that.
No, Mr. Secretary, I was raising this point because, say for example, the president in the regional conference, that country which will be hosting the national chapter president, ex officio, he will become the president of the regional body. The Secretary General will be from Pakistan. Now, if Pakistan has got this under obligation that Pakistan will be having the Secretary General, then how or whether the general body will elect him or the Pakistan chapter will name. We can say that from the Secretary General will be from Pakistan. So
it is because of only one reason, that Indian chapter, we had got an office there and we couldn't get office. After that we spent 30 lakh rupees in the construction of the office, in the furniture and everything. But High Court came in and we couldn't run that office. After that office, there was no office. So there is, for the first 6 months in this budget, and then we expect that if you get office, your expenses will be raised. This is because that you do not have the office and then you don't have a staff, except one staff of there. That is the LGR. Moreover, Mr. Katyal was getting $1,000, which he is no more staff now. So, your budget will be raised after you get the office. Otherwise, you were not able to utilize your fund fully, which was allocated in the previous year. Because we allocated for the Indian chapter was the budget the highest budget. But it came down because of there is no office. So there is no expenditure on the office or sundries or nothing.
It will be short once we start. You haven't given us a chance, you haven't given us a penny ever since we both have been elected. Every time we ask for money, we say we have no money. So once you start giving us money, then you see it will be flowing. And both the chairman and general secretary are in the habit of choosing very expensive places for meetings.
You see the little money that the Sri Lanka kept ahead for.
We are talking about the general plan.
I know. We were going through the human resource budget also, so we found Pakistan missing.
So,
We just found Pakistan missing, yes.
Pakistan
So it's
missing.
not an issue.
yes, because Pakistani budget, chapter's budget is being run by the foundation directly.
Okay.
So we need not to have duplication there.
But I was just thinking, we'll have the flexibility, although the budget is 24,800 for Bhutan, which is the least, no? But we are okay with it, but we are flexible to have our own programs, no, on the budget. As long as we stick to the budget, we can have
I think the
more
chapter
than
issues,
3
you
programs.
will discuss with Bilal in the next 2 days.
Okay,
The chapter issues.
Okay.
We should not raise their chapter issues.
You concentrate on this document,
Okay.
the central budget.
Just yes, from a and from Maldives. And that budget is separate.
I want to know the rationale of allocation of fund by SAPMA or foundation to the different chapters.
It is on the historical, what we have done is that again I will raise the issue that there are separate national budgets and our director program will have separate meetings with you. If you have a problem with the budget, that is a proposal from us. It shouldn't be made by us. We are overburdened with your work. Because your representative doesn't read the emails, I have to fax him and telephone him also for this. And many of you, not even you read your emails.
Mr. Secretary,
Piece of work plan submitted by the chapter.
That is big.
We have 2 ways.
Okay, I accept it.
Now,
Now,
2 ways, just listen to me, 2 ways. One is that budget proposed to us and we go back to them that you are, for example, Maldives was a proposal at $800,000 budget. I just could give them $30,000. So these are the huge gaps. Availability of funds and actual activity.
now that is
The second thing is that we see the historical consumption of the allocated funds. So if, for example, Bangladesh has been very good in this, the Riazuddin has been managing it from very minimum resources and trying to create local resources, and Farooq Bhai, they have been very good in this. And the Bangladesh chapter is the least recipient of funds. Because when we will be projecting it, so we will be projecting it as a historical use of funds. So we have received from Farooq the work plan and budget. On that basis, we have prepared it. We can withdraw it any time. This is just your work we are doing. Don't criticize us. The work you should be doing and we are doing for you. We don't want to do it. You please come up and discuss with the director.
He also knows.
No,
Council Bazar conference, we
I
mobilize.
wanted,
Please,
number one,
we mobilize 800,000 taka.
that is not my point. My point was that what is the rationale of distribution of fund by SAPMA to chapters? That was the
This
thing.
is
You gave one.
proposed by the chapters.
Yes, you gave one answer by the chapter. Again, you have contradicted yourself by saying, say Maldives has a chapter asking you to give, say, $80,000.
800,000.
I will do the same with you as well. I will do the same with you as well. If you propose me $1 million budget,
Yeah.
I'll say come to your level.
I understand.
You
I
can't
understand.
even consume $20,000.
No, I understand. Now, we are proposing, say, $100,000 chapters budget to you. Now you are reducing it to $50,000. Say, for example, one country is proposing $200,000 budget. You are allocating them $150,000. What is the rationale?
This is an abstract proposition you are making of your choice. This doesn't happen. What happens is
that is why I was asking.
What happens?
Let me give one simple answer. How?
Because you have not been involved into this. You are not involved into this activity. Had you seen your own chapters, budget and work plans, you would not have raised this issue.
Frankly speaking, without having any malice, I should say that the chapter's budget which has been placed here was not approved by the national chapter.
I don't know. Ask Farooq, this is better you send
He has to give
No,
the
don't-
there,
don't-
not here.
Of course.
This,
So,
this,
we are
this
not
national
discussing such
chapter,
chapters.
Bangladesh national chapter's budget has not been approved by the national chapter there.
But it is placed in executive committee meeting.
You will give this answer
Yeah,
here,
discuss this issue,
not
this
here.
is not my issue.
It was approved.
Yes.
It was
No.
approved, Mr. Iqbal, you were, maybe,
No.
no, this is not the
You will-
country
anyway.
chapters meeting.
Anyway, this will.
Please, what is next?
So I placed this work plan for 8, 2010, 11 and 12 for approval.
Is it approved?
Accepting Bangladesh one.
Is it approved? It's not Bangladesh chapter
No,
here.
accepting
No
Bangladesh one.
Bangladesh is here, Mr. Iqbal. That is separate.
Okay, you just,
Accepting Bangladesh one.
okay, this is approved by the house.
It is approved by. Okay.
If you.
Yeah, well, formality sake, it should go on record that if there's an internal problem in the chapter, they have to resolve it.
That's in the chapter will resolve it, not
Yeah,
here.
but since it's been raised, it should formalize.
It will be resolved there.
Yeah,
It will be part of the proceedings.
Very good.
That he raises objection.
Very good. We have one question is about the personal and administrative costs. How is that going to be allocated? And
Again, we will discuss this allocation of the chapters separately. But this is again on the assessment based on the chapters.
performance, fine.
And again, it will be sorted out there.
Second question is, why is the Pakistan budget not under our scrutiny?
Under your scrutiny?
Yes, so all of the chapter budgets are under our scrutiny.
No. The Pakistan chapter budget is there.
It's all here.
Like your budget is the Pakistan budget. That's not an exception.
It's big.
But you see that as they have the foundation there in Bangladesh, or they have a foundation in Nepal, which is working as their implementing agency. That's not the situation now. So in Pakistan, we have already a foundation. So why should we duplicate by this to another
But
foundation?
this is a Pakistan budget. Yeah. Pakistan wants that.
Okay. So we lost to skip Bhutan because we had this major conference here. And the next number will be India. For India, my proposal is,
So, Mr. Satish, regarding
we are
India.
proposing that the next conference be held in India. And my proposal is, and I have discussed it with my friend from India and as well in Pakistan, that it should be held in Amritsar. One session, there can be inauguration in Amritsar and closing session in Wagah on the other side of the border.
Lahore.
Which will create a great impact on the whole region. It will become the focus of the media as well. And it will have a great effect on Indo-Pak process as well.
This is a proposal.
What proposal?
We will consider a proposal.
Yes, I'm proposing it. This is not decision.
Yeah, but we will.
There can be proposal from your side also.
We have to look into the practicality and pros and cons of choosing that venue.
No, we'll have obviously discuss it in our.
We'll discuss it among
Sorry?
ourselves.
We'll discuss it in our national chapter and get back to you on this.
Okay.
So it is agreed that
Eighth conference will be in India.
Sure, yeah.
Now, how it is to be done,
Yeah.
you would, of course, you will discuss it
That
first.
is exactly what I said. This is exactly what both of us are saying.
No, yes.
No, this is just not a prerogative of the national chapter.
do you have anything in mind about
You have to, the national chapter will have to coordinate with Center Secretariat or Secretary General.
We are not saying we will not coordinate with you, but you
Yes.
have proposed a venue. Let us discuss the venue. because-
Another thing, there are 2 or 3 points. Please, these are 3 points. One is that we will not be able to meet the cost of the conference in Delhi. Because there, the stay cost is, hotel cost is too high. We don't have any, those funds now. If you go away from there to some rural capital, our cost can go down in terms of stay.
Well, why do you choose then Amritsar? I've got another cheaper person. Have Hisar or Rohtak.
Gurgaon.
Or Gurgaon. You will have
Gurgaon?
Why not? Why
We
not?
will put you in huts, yeah. there are
Gurgaon is
hotels.
in Delhi.
Okay,
Give you budget,
okay.
Why this is
We'll
not-
discuss it now.
It is
पैसे की बात है तो we will give you a cheaper
conference
Anyway,
हमें इंडिया में
India,
करनी है,
let's
आप
decide on
decide
India,
करें. Exactly.
where we hold it, and we get back to you.
The Secretary General also will indicate the budget, I think,
It's very
before he
reasonable
decides.
and very rational.
And do you have any time frame in your
Yeah,
mind?
mainly Garage, we will not have it in Amritsar. But give us the chance to discuss it.
नहीं भाई इसमें कोई डिस्कशन ही नहीं है
हाँ, बस।
नहीं आप जो बात कर रहे
और
हो
ये आगे चले. It is decided.
Do you have any time frame in your mind?
While doing that,
Then
you
also
would of
work out
course,
later.
नहीं एक मिनट इजाजत
May I propose that we also express our appreciation of
Yes, now one point, that we, the House, must appreciate the Bhutan chapter. I propose this resolution and to thank Satish Jacob, who has travelled twice here, and Director Programs, who do not know what kind of work it involved, preparing all these things and documents, and our finance manager back in Central Secretariat. All these people have put a lot of effort to make it possible.
And Imtiaz Alam.
And also Imtiaz Alam.
Here I have.
It's rolled out.
For taking the flags.
Just SAFMA employees, they are free media partners. They are the implementing agency's employee, and they will be employee of SAFMA, SOM and SCMC. So they will not be doing you a favor if they are coordinating with you. That will be their job.
So I think that if there are, instead of 3, if there are 4, it will be better because one population activity for all these three organizations. But separately, SAFMA, SOM and Commission, they have separate coordinator in the office. It will be better, I think so.
I mean, I also have a bit of a question about this. They are not, neither will they be paid out of the SAFMA budget, nor the SOM budget, nor the SAMC budget. So they will be paid directly, yeah. So they,
directly by whom?
Which is where the money is coming to all of us from.
So this is the question, you know. I think first and foremost, do we all understand the hierarchy of what we are talking about? What the organizations are? Do we understand the organizational structure here? What is happening?
Well, that's what was Imtiaz explained yesterday.
But obviously, probably there's a little bit of confusion, but I think we should recap on that so that there's no confusion where the money is coming from. SAFMA is not endowing or granting SOM.
Yeah.
We're part of the same process, same procedure. So I think probably, Shamli, it's better if you just give a recap of what
I
the
can't
main,
recap of what Imtiaz said.
just the main, just what the main. Yeah, exactly.
Again, I think there are different things in different situations, but FMF is the registered organization that is has the parent body of the other 3, SAFMA, SOM and SAMC. And the monies are allocated separately to the 3 organizations.
By
Free Media Foundation. And those salaries would come direct from FMF to the different chapters to pay salaries. So they're not coming out of your budgets.
But it was being routed through SAFMA, isn't that what we understood?
No, it's being routed. Yeah. That is to do with different countries and registration requirements of each countries and what can be done in terms of opening bank accounts, being as a registered entity that can...
That was a question that many of the SOM people raised about being registered separately so that you have your own account into which it flows. Whereas he had suggested that only SAFMA is registered and the funds come into that, even though the allocations are separate for each of them. It is SAFMA that becomes the body that receives the funds.
Yeah,
but there is this financial committee of the 3 people from each, which is part of that that does that process, I think.
I'm saying in case say Nepal raises this thing about, yes, we can register separately, so why do we need to be attached to SAFMA per se was the query.
But I think just,
actually each chapter can take their
I think it's for administrative.
have 3 separate registered.
It's for administrative reasons so that you don't end up having 24.
That you're raising, and what Bushra said, that's very important. You mustn't feel that you are beholden to SAFMA. You don't ever get it. Whether they like you or they don't like you is not the point.
This allocation is separate.
The same office, obviously will talk to each other. But they have to recognize also, and they will recognize, I think once it starts, they will recognize that the money is separate and that you have to cooperate with each other. So you are as important as them.
I think they don't want to have a situation, where, take Nepal for instance, where at the accounting and reporting stage, where they get 3 separate lots of accounting from one country. They want to get it as
That's
one
why
from
I'm
Nepal.
saying what Jyoti is saying, make clear, is that if you're going to have such separate things, he's not going to be responsible for them. You do your own raising.
Why should Imtiaz be responsible?
No, in the sense that now he does have a donor. You have an identified donor from where he's getting the
And
money.
he's accountable.
That's why he's accountable for you. Therefore, you are reporting in one
It's
sense.
imperative that SAFMA
You go through SAFMA. Otherwise, he's not going to raise the money for you. You have to really depend on your own resources. Do you have the resources to and the connections to raise the money by yourself? When you are saying I'm registering by myself and trying to raise money, that's a big question, because now you're getting something and you're taking it for granted.
Right. No, I think
her
question was a little different. Her question was not so much about the money, but it was about cooperation with his son.
Sharing the same office space, you know, and also yes.
I mean, does it make a difference to the Free Media Foundation? In what way? I mean, like she's saying, it would be ideal if the chapters can take the decision, but will it make a difference to the Free Media Foundation on how they are routing the funds?
In terms of being a facilitator
Yes.
for SAFMA.
I think they want to route the funds just through one, into each country through one means, rather than 3 separate things in each.
Close that door by opening my own account, because it's at least a channel of funding.
So that's sort of, if a chapter has a problem, like yours, why don't you sign a kind of a MOU, like, you know, memorandum with SAFMA about, you know, releasing the space and everything, you know, office space, releasing funds, that chapter can have a kind of an MOU between the 3 organizations. You know, then at least, you know, it's official, it's there, like, you know, without, you know, letting one, you know, the whole problem coming from women is, you know, SAFMA being the main body, they are trying to control data over others.
Okay, I have a proposal, if you may. If each chapter feels that they should have one coordinator allocated specifically to coordination of songs,
Yeah, that might be better.
Will each chapter be willing to cut down on the budget a little bit so that the coordinator's salary can come out of their budget? Because I think that is the only way.
Already, that's what we are doing in the financial consultative matters, that they may not, the 3 employees that are who are neutral.
The Bangladesh concern was that
Practically, they may not be able to work with the SAFMA if such a situation arises.
That they wanted that maybe it should be better idea to have one.
They can have joint coordinators.
But for that, since we have a very limited set, we want to budget. So we have all, excuse me, can we first have that's why
Yeah, okay, let's
yesterday I read Yes. So far we are overshadowed by SAFMA and their activities, you know, and everybody has feelings. So I propose to be independent and autonomous from them because of it. And so far it is concerned about the accountants and holding. I think we don't have problem to manage separate account. The problem is just budget. If we give budget to separate administration, then one account person and one administrative it can be sufficient to run that financial matters. I think so.
I think at the moment you're feeling that it's overshadowed business because the budget is coming only to SAFMA and you have to take it.
Yeah.
But when the budget starts coming separately, for songs separately and SAFMA separately, that problem should not be so such a big
Because
one.
you're just
you have to decide what to do with your money. They cannot.
You know, a question of ego, because it is registered and I'm not going to find
No,
it's actually logistical.
The thing is that if we make SOM an autonomous body, then we can't use SAFMA's or Free Media Foundation's offices. We need to have our own auditors, we need to have our own office, various separate offices. It's going to cost a lot and we have just started. We can't do that. I mean, right now, if FMS is doing us a favor.
Down the line, we can do that.
Maybe in the future, we should have
Then, okay, but
Yes.
So we can also.
Yes, you can register and raise your own funds. Yes. That is possible.
Raise our own funds. Why don't local funds be managed by each local chapter? If you want to hold an activity in your own country and you're raising funds, I understand that you need to be registered. But for that specific activity, if you have your own local, say, bank account, which need not be sent all the time, constantly to the Free Media Foundation for your own small activities, I don't understand what the huge issue is if you do have an account.
Yeah, that's why if you register, the resource,
there should be no disconnection, either this or that.
You have to have another account. So if the money comes to this account, and what is the action and the process of SAM, his main officer, SAM or SAFMA, that every chapter can have separate account. They can raise money and this account, but then other account from SAFMA they can sign and take the money. But who should know that? Who is going to monitor them?
No, okay, yes, that's a valid point Mehmil has brought up. The problem with that is, if you have your own, say you're a registered organization in Nepal, for example, and you start raising funds and you have your own bank account, will you be able to have your own auditors then? Because obviously you will not be sending your financial reports to the Free Media Foundation. So the problem over here is not of autonomy, it is logistical.
Practicalities and
the money for the auditors will have to come out of your budget. And the money for the auditors and anything else that you spend, if I understand you correctly, will have to come out of your own budget. So if you have a limited budget anyway, to take away a certain amount, to sort of hire auditors and other people,
I have one energy because now in my mind comes. If these register, every chapter separately, but the account which SAFMA has, if we share this account with those organizations that we want to give a fund program for some, maybe SAFMA will give this permission to give this account number to those organizations to transfer the money to that chapter. And I think it is clear for SAFMA also that which chapter raising money and how many they can spend from this money for their activity as well. I think
the account has been solved, SAFMA's name is that what
the money that comes from Free Media Foundation will come to one account. Then they will give the allocation that is solved to you. You have your own account and you take it into your account.
You are allowing for that separate account.
In each country, if you can do it, you do it in each country. So you have your own account for which money has come from that. Yeah? And if you want to raise other money, you can, but you have to account for this money you got from that according to this procedure.
I just was, there were two accounts.
No, one would be SAFMA song would only have one. You would get money from SAFMA or from anywhere else.
No, if you want to register, you register, which means you have to hire an accountant. Okay, you hire an accountant, you have to take it out of your own budget.
Yeah. Okay, I have some technical question. So there will be, if we register it locally, there will be two accounts.
Yes.
So it won't be a problem that we have to keep the filing report to SAFMA.
Or you have to give it to Solid Secretariat.
There will be two reports.
There will be one, whatever reporting that you're doing, you all three organizations, SOM, SMC and SAFMA, they will make their report and send it to the Central Secretariat. That's fine, but what if we generate locally?
Yeah,
and
that is up to you.
Financial accounts.
You can do that.
Yeah, should we submit that audit report also?
Yes,
Yes. Even if we generate locally.
That's
Unless you're dragging the word. Because you have to know where
I think we have move on.
Yes, I mean, we will come to our things later. Creative looks to us is that we are like contributing development.
India.
Everyone else. Because if we register, we don't get funds from Free Media Foundation. But if we don't register, then we can't raise the local resources ourselves. We can't get funds unless song is registered anywhere. You can't get people. You can get people to partner for an event.
Yes,
They'll
partner for an event.
They'll give you they'll give you a free lunch. That is not the thing. That's not how an organization can grow. But you can't raise funds. That's what I'm saying. On the other hand, what happens if we register as a separate? Suppose Satma is separate, song is separate. If it's registered separately, then the money
because from
is
what
not
Ms.
coming
India
to
was
our
speaking
account.
about, I'm just trying to understand whether if you register, you're automatically saying that because you will have separate accounts, therefore I will not give you
For
any more
India,
money.
there is a problem. He said that if you register in India, an NGO cannot get funds for 3 years.
No, I'm not talking about. We have been, our Satma has been getting funds.
Because it's not registered and it's getting funds from another.
No, her question is, Bushra, I think from what I understand, Swati's, sorry.
Yeah. That is not to do with registration person. That has to do with FCR. Our,
forget about India.
Yeah.
Suppose Nepal registers a song. Will the Free Media Foundation money stop or no?
Okay, I know. But I think what the issue is of how the funds will be managed. Either you raise funds and then you use your own account, which is Satma's account, on which you're the signatory. Either you can use that account for that money, or do you need to have a separate account under song's name? Because that account will be under Satma's account, Satma's name, but it will have song, SNC, and Satma representation on it. So
that's fine.
So can we draw from both sources?
Yes. The only thing that India yesterday mentioned was that when you're raising your
Keep the
inform
form.
so the accounting takes it in we have two accounts.
No, you have one account. Sometimes different sources of money coming in.
She's saying is, if you take
account and who's it's where.
And that is exactly the next thing that I want to chat about was that that means that each general secretary of all organizations need to be in the same city then. Because in Pakistan, I just saw this in my head that because Pakistan's chapter is in Islamabad, right? So the money goes to Islamabad, but our general secretary, Song's general secretary is in Lahore. So that is a problem that I'm foreseeing that how will that be managed? That is something that each chapter has to look out for itself.
That's why they want us to individually talk to Bilal and clarify the different country-specific situations that are that we have questions about each country.
We just take I see another technical problem here. Because if we register Swan in Nepal, so that will be a kind of Nepal's legal NGO. So if we have registered Nepal's legal NGO in Nepal, so I think we can't take money from other side. They will be two parallel, so that will be another technical problem.
If we can take a fund from outside, and let's say through but for that we had to.
No.
That's what they will send it to the Satma.
Because there will be 3 signatories. एक SMC signatory, one will be from Song and one will be from.
I think these questions you 3 should
just wait for Bilal. He'll be able to answer.
Let's just quickly go to the other chapters if there are any kind of regarding activity you want to do in the universe. What's next? India is going, yeah.
India is too big to.
Tell us what your problems are. You are done.
Yes, the national conference, of course, is the first thing.
Yes, it's a priority for you.
It's a priority. I mean, I would like to think that it's a priority for this
All of us.
greater body also,
Yes,
because I mean, right now we have 29 members of these are the founding members of Song India, and because we don't have an elected body as yet, because we have not been able to hold a conference, for every decision we have to go to all 29 members. And we are not just holding ourselves up, we are holding up this entire thing, but we don't really have an option. So our national conference we need to hold, and by the most stringent estimates we need at least 20 to 20 lakh, 2 lakh Indian rupees.
How many dollars is that roughly?
This converts to 17.75 including all.
No, this is what you have granted to
30,000.
$6,000. Shamini is for $6,000.
40 more, 40,000. More than 40,000.
For the national conference.
I'm
sorry,
$28,000.
45,000.
$28,000. No, what we did think was, because for us the conference is a priority, this 28,000 converts it to 12.6 lakhs, with which it is not possible to make it a larger body. We'll just be calling these 29. Our idea was that we multiply the numbers at least 3 times. You know, to about
Because you call about 100.
About 100.
You're planning to hold this conference in Calcutta.
So the idea was, we had 29 family members who came to Lahore. So each of us invites 2 or 3 journalists, because we're from all over the country. So that is what we thought about.
So this amount that is here, you think is not doable?
No, it's not doable. And the problem is that, because we don't have an executive arrangement, at the moment I can't raise,
$28,000. So how much more would
Not even 28,000. What I'm saying is, the other events, if you add on these conferences, couple of events we could attach to the conference, because you're getting everybody as a part of the audience. So we show that as conferences, but taking the entire amount together, it still amounts to only 17.75 lakhs. So $5,000.
So we need at least 5,000.
So maybe, I don't know, you need to speak to, as a special situation, because they have such a situation.
You know, I have been, okay, if you look at the budget of SAFMA, it's what?
80 Pakistan.
Okay. This is just an example of what time? It's 47. No, okay. The issue that I'm trying to raise here is not how much the amount is allocated to SAFMA by the Free Media Foundation. What I'm suggesting is, and it's just a suggestion, we have this particular clause here of women's rights in SAFMA under results and activities. We have this, if you read it, right? So I think that is redundant in the, yes, it is.
But I don't think it's redundant at all, because otherwise we would end up by SAFMA being the men's one and SOM being the women's one. They need to also have some representation and some taking into consideration of women's issues.
No, why would we do that in SOM? And it says gender mainstreaming.
Listen, there
it says gender
non-SOM. We will have to talk about the money part. Time is a big thing. See, after mid-August again the festive season starts and the cost of everything goes up. We were hoping to hold it in March, October, especially because of the funds. That if we are not able to hold it by July, it would be best the first week of August. Then we really fear that the energy that had been generated after Lahore, that will be dissipated.
Yeah. And I think her point is also that we cannot raise locally.
Because unless,
SAFMA gives us whatever money it has and we are able to do this conference. The other
but how do we get her advice then?
We can call her. She's not carrying a member. She's not. She's an advisor. She's not a member.
She should be present in the meeting.
Yeah, but she's not.
But why do you want her to be present in the meeting? You explain to us why you want her to be present. Why do you think
Ushra, as I understand it, one, because you do think that she needs to be accommodated because she was originally involved with it. Two, she'll be useful to start raising funds and other than the Free Media Foundation, which is anyway controlled, to believe that she will be useful to the organization.
And enhancing the profile of the organization.
She has a profile and if the organization should be useful, there is no objection.
I think if it's not a paid position, then I don't mind.
Even if you pay her, I don't have
No, paid position means a different thing, because then after that we have to go another advisor.
And you have a problem with her as a person and what she represents, perhaps. Okay. But all right. Listen. What I'm suggesting.
Are we having lunch here?
No.
So all of them are having lunch.
And we have to be all ready with the buses. And after the lunch, then we will go to Thimphu.
After lunch.
So where are we having lunch? In Thimphu?
Lunch is in Paro, somewhere in Paro.
Town. At the town.
Huh?
Lunch is
May